Hey, you got to go for the full ride.
No, I am not going for 30 seconds.
It's like 4 seconds with that one. Literally.
When you do this,
Get your phone out.
I don't want you to start before. What I want you to do is come up to him. Once you're up to him, pull the trigger. 1, 2, 3, pull.
No, you have to stop before then.
3 seconds. You won't like you'll go.
I'm so excited right
I
now.
know, me too.
Wow, that laser just got me in the eyeball.
2, 3, come away from it. Put the trigger.
No, you don't get to do it that long. Crystal, really, please don't do it that long.
He won't. She won't. Yeah, have to go up. Crystal, you can
It won't shock you. It won't shock through
It
people.
won't shock you. Just hold it so they don't fall over. She loves you, Zach. She loves you.
You better grab that arm. Pull him in tight.
No, just no, turn it up now. You're gonna pull the trigger like
Touch him first. Don't burn him.
Do it. You can do it again. Come on, do it again.
Do it again. Do it again. Hit him.
Again.
Hit him again. But don't be sure to pull away quick so you don't fall over, okay? Are you ready? Go ahead.
Oh, that was way worse than the first one. Oh, I'm so
Run away from the pain. Run away from the pain.
God. Fuck, all right.